Hello world, welcome from Abundant Mall in Bali. I'm working on the middle of the mall right now, actually. Okay, if I'm gonna say it's abundant, that's gonna be a clickbait. It's not abundant, it's open, it's operating. However, 95% of the businesses everywhere around are totally closed. As you can see, I'm gonna move slowly around. There is nobody around and all the shops are simply closed. There is maybe 5 shops, one cafe, Starbucks is open. I think it's open. Something on the top of the coconut trees. Anyway, I need to even talk quiet because it's like echo. Nothing is happening around. I'm walking through the open mall, but it's nothing around. That's why I call this is abundant. 2 years ago at that time, still at that time, was so much life everywhere around. It's 5 p.m. afternoon, so many people used to having like a dinner or something like that, but suddenly nothing is happening around right now. So I'm gonna show you a little bit around how does it look like, and I'm still looking for the business what they are open actually. Only one entrance is open. There is about 20 entrances to the small, but only one is open, and I'm just it's hard even to make any kind of commentary because look at that, it's like simply everything, literally every business is closed, but must be something open anyway. Check this out, some of the buildings are even not even closed, they are completely left over and taken out everything. I think the only shops what are open is this one, Uluwatu and Lacoste at the front. There is still cleaning service, so they're taking care of it, whatever left. This is Bali collection in Nusa Dua, by the way. I think I forgot to mention previously, but yeah, very sad view currently. And obviously Starbucks is open, so that's how it is. Not much is happening. Only one shop here. Hello. Thank you. Well, Starbucks is open. Okay, that's a good sign. If you wanna have a coffee, there is even some customer inside, which is I'm kind of surprised. But after that, especially if you are familiar, there was always so many people and so many shops and so many restaurants, just so much business around that seems like not anymore, not in the current conditions. Behind me was the big restaurant with the bebek, very traditional Balinese food, Indonesian food, however also closed, fountains. Kind of speechless, guys. Cheers, only water. Because you're not gonna get a bintang even here actually. That's really pretty sad. Check this out. I'm gonna show you around and I have completely no idea where I could go and what I can show you, except that as everything here is just closed. Here's supposed to be another restaurant also. Well, obviously closed, totally closed, fully closed everywhere around, and this part of the mall is even totally closed. There is already like no access anymore. Check this out. Unfortunately, you cannot get inside because all the rest of the area of mall is closed. Sad. This is not even clickbait if I'm gonna say abandoned mall, because this part of the mall is totally simply closed, and this is like a harsh reality of Bali without the tourism in 2022 edition. It's pretty sad. Check this out. Also just realized so many mosquitoes nowadays biting very badly here because of, I don't know, maybe they don't spray anything and it's so like junglish little bit. So many, because this mall is open air obviously. If you ever been here, so all the shops, all the restaurants used to be, and well, they are, let's say, used to be in the open area like separate buildings, and so many nature things here around trees, but so many mosquitoes, and it's very weird feeling to walking here around. Very weird. Check this out, this part of the mall here right now where I'm walking around. Ooh, very quiet and very deserted. If I'm not gonna say anything, you can hear only my breath. Everything here is closed. Everything empty. Guys, just empty. That's unbelievable. 2 years ago there was so much life here everywhere around, but now nothing. All the gates are closed, all the shops are closed, every businesses are gone, including the polo and everything, and I'm just here by myself. So here was some delivery shop, some restaurants, small shops, big restaurants, small restaurants, spas, any attractions, tourist attractions, kids. Well, here's the sign, entrances, the hotels, but now suddenly there is nothing here around. I count maybe one pharmacy shop, one Starbucks, which is actually a big surprise, and 3 independent shops, and that's it. I'm gonna move slowly, 360 degree, and I just wanna show you how does it look like. I want you to feel the vibe here. Even if something is falling down from the coconut tree, you can hear that. Unbelievable. Guys, unbelievable. These 2 years, let's see how it's gonna look, if nothing gonna change about the regarding the tourism industry in next 1 year or 2 years. Hopefully something gonna change. I think here was there also something, cocoa shop or something, but everything is just closed, guys. And yeah, check this out. Even this blue restaurant, they is just keeping the information regarding the protocols, but that's it. Nothing else is happening. Literally 5 shops are open from 200 maybe, and here used to be the restaurants, something like that. Also would like to show you a little bit. Well, really not much is happening. It's just totally left over. It's not totally abandoned, I could say, because yeah, they have still 5 shops open, but after that, check this out. It's like this was the restaurant, there was just the kitchen, and there was the tables here, definitely, and there was the entrance, fountains, decorations, everything is closed. Only here is some refurbishment, they're gonna make some new cafe maybe, or shop, but after that is not much really happening here. Alright guys, just moved to the beach in Nusa Dua, actually kinda close by the mall where I was. That was the mall called Bali Collection in Nusa Dua, closed town complex of the hotels. Well, I think when I showed you around, that was only maybe 50% of mall actually open to public access, because there was the fence in the one point, and well, that's another half of the mall, maybe even bigger part of the mall what is totally out of business. And when the part where it's open, it was like maybe 5 shops, literally I think one little mall, 2 independent shops with clothes, 1 pharmacy shop and Starbucks. That was only what open. I saw only 2 ladies there. I don't know if they are a customer or maybe they work somewhere there, and that's it. So pretty sad view. I also got so many mosquito bites everywhere around, so that's why I decided to move to the beach anyway. Beautiful beach, water, sound of the ocean behind me. Well, I've been there like 2 weeks ago when I used to do the live stream in the area of Nusa Dua, and I promise you, as I'm gonna come here because this material is good to show you the reality of situation of Bali right now in 2022. This is like a, well, literally sad reality of Bali without the tourism. I make 4 videos like this. This is suitable for 5th one, but yeah, that's how it is. Not much is happening around, not much changes around either. Just only what I can say is the beautiful water today, beautiful beach, few people chilling around everywhere, by the beach only, but also only few of them. After that, if you're gonna go more into this direction, the beach is actually totally closed. I mean, not closed, but empty. So yeah, I just would like you to comment below what do you think about the situation in Bali Collection. For everyone who are not familiar, this mall at that time, it's sunset time, was super extremely busy from the people from obviously who staying in the hotels around, but also outsiders used to coming here. But currently there is not even one place now, not even one restaurant where you could potentially have a dinner there if somehow you're gonna stay in the hotel. So comment below what do you think about that. I think I'm gonna go home. Feel a little bit strange after spending the like 20 minutes in this mall where nothing is happening. And as always, I will see you on next one. See ya. Thank you so much.